Hey everyone, my name is Tim Lee. Welcome to another Draw Too Much video, the last of my Life of Thrive comic drawings that I promised you guys I would post up. And now that we're nearing the end, it's time to get back to tutorials and teaching you guys a bit more about how to draw caricatures, and we're going to get back into doing tutorials on noses. And it's been a lot of fun to be able to show you some of these drawings. If for some magical, amazing reason you guys really enjoyed this and want to see more, would love it if you'd let me know in the comments below. That would really help me out, because I tell you what, I'm a person who finds inspiration in people appreciating the work. So if no one responds back to it, it does not exactly get me excited and anticipating doing more. So if you're interested in seeing more drawings of this nature like we've done for the last 6 episodes of Life of Thrive comic, then please hit that like button. Also, do me another favor, head on over to my Instagram, instagram.com/Tim_Lee_Michael, and that will show you all the photography I'm doing and also these comics. You can see I finally kind of got a clue, and I started drawing these in a perfect 1-to-1 ratio, or square, so that way it looks really good on Instagram, where I'm probably going to be posting these the most when and if I do draw more. But once again, inspiration requires a little bit of assistance, and that's you guys showing an interest in them, wanting to see more. Otherwise, it's back to tutorials as usual. Something my wife has kind of trained me in. I find recently when she goes, "I'm cold," I instantly get up and turn down the air conditioner. The house is a mess, I look for things to clean up. She's having a bad day, I instantly do the dishes. You know, things like that. I sense that I've been brainwashed somehow, and she is such an amazing wife, and she takes care of the house and rarely gives me grief for not helping clean up. But then when I know that she's having a bad day or something, I switch gears, and next thing you know, I'm trying to get things cleaned up for her. That's not something I used to do. This is something that's happened to me since marriage. I can only assume that there's some mischievous things going on, maybe while I'm asleep or something, and I thought, wouldn't it be fun to draw this comic that kind of mentions that? Also, we have, if you've noticed in the past couple episodes of these drawings, we have a little friend that shows up in our drawings, and we call our friend Sushi. It's a little stuffed fish, which is actually kind of like a body pillow that my wife cuddles up to, and it's a really cute little guy, and she must have bought it from like China or something. It's a really weird looking thing, but she's taken it with her on several trips, and it's just become kind of our little mascot. So Sushi, as we like to call the little fish, it's been really fun to also include that little fish in some of these drawings as well. Anyway, guys, that's going to do it for these videos. Like I said, if you did enjoy them, though, hit that like button and let me know, and I'll make an effort to draw up a couple more. That would be pretty sweet. And just to see that you guys have enjoyed it. Also, remember that Life of Thrive is actually my vlogging channel, where you can go and see the trips that my wife and I have done. And we're a little low on subscribers over there, so if you want to go over and subscribe, that would be very, very helpful. We've been making videos for the last couple of years, and I do mean couple of years, of our marriage, and even before that, before us getting married. And I have a whole history of my wife and I in our relationship and some of the trips we've taken, and we plan to take a lot more this year, and I'm very much looking forward to it and would love for you to be a part of that. Well, that's going to do it for this drawing and this series. I hope that you enjoyed it, though. You can go and see them over on my Instagram, and yeah, if you have any questions about how it was drawn, please let me know in the comments below, and maybe we'll do a little tutorial on covering that. Well, God bless you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Also, make sure to check out my Facebook, facebook.com/Tim Lee Michael. Follow me over there, and we will see you next time in the next video. And it's back to drawing noses. You ready? The schnoz is on the brain. Let's see what comes up next. You guys have a great day. God bless. Bye.